Claude Cowork's AI agent can scrape absolutely anything from the internet. Reddit, threads, business emails, phone numbers, LinkedIn profiles, and even identify if websites have booking systems. And then generate an email to sell your own booking system to them. I'm going to show you exactly how right now. If you've never used Claude Cowork before, I've prepared an absolute beginner's guide to Claude Cowork that walks you through everything. What is Claude Cowork? What can it do for you? How can you access it? How does it work? And even to automating your first tasks, setting up your settings, and so on. So just grab this guide. And then what we're going to do is, first, if you don't already have Claude Cowork, you just go to claudeai.downloads. And then you just download it for Windows. And then you install it on your computer. And then I'm just going to open it. Now it's set up. The first thing we want to do is we go to Customize. We now go to Connectors. Connectors are basically where you can connect other tools to it. So Claude Cowork had access to them and can use them. And in my case, we need a tool that can allow us to scrape anything online. And Apify is the tool that does it for you. You see what it can do, right? It has over 20,000 scraping applications: Google Maps Scraper, TikTok Scraper, Instagram Scraper. Anything, any information, any content you found online, even Amazon, it can scrape reviews, it can scrape websites, it can scrape emails, it can scrape social media profiles. And we can now, with one click, give Claude Cowork access to all scrapers that are available here. And then it's going to select the scrapers you need. So now let's connect Apify and all the scrapers they have to Claude Cowork. So we just click here on plus, browse connectors, and here we type in Apify. Click on add, click on install. Click on install. Then I need my API key. To get this is really simple. You just go to apify.com, sign up for a free account, then they give you 5 credits for free. This will last you quite a long time. You see, if I have only used 11 cents of my free account, then you go to personal API tokens, you copy that, and this is what we need to paste in here, and then click save. Now it has worked. Perfect. Now we can go back to new task. So we're going to start to use it for a simple use case that anyone can use, anyone that's watching this, no matter what you do. And it's going to do this. So we're going to use Apify connector. So always write the connector you want to use. It makes it easier and more direct if you have several tools connected to use specifically Apify here, right? And it should scrape the top posts from the last 30 days from these subreddit. Analyze what was posted, and then it should basically extract the 10 most asked questions ranked by how trending they are, how urgent they are, and basically then give me 5 content ideas based on the top frustrations and on topics that are trending this month. So all I have to do here is basically just click on let's go. Okay, it found the Reddit scraper it wants to use. Click allow. Now there are several times so you need to click always allow, or you can also go back to customize while this is running. We go to my connectors. I can go to Apify, and then I can say, okay, right? I can switch it always allow. And then it's going to no longer ask me for permission. Now look at what it has come back with. It has created me a full report here. So let's scroll to the top. You see that? Reddit Intelligence Report, March 2026. It scraped the top posts from the last 30 days. Total posts analyzed 200. And here, the top most asked questions here summarized, right? Content title ideas written in language people are already using. Trending topics this month. So that's going to help me make content that's more compelling and attracts more audience. I can grow also the sales I'm making for my business. Or another way would be, okay, you can sell this as a service, because now I could say, can you do this report for me every week? Set up a schedule to run it every Monday. Now it's creating the schedule, right? Every Monday at 9 a.m. it should run. So I click on schedule, and then it's going to give me this intelligence report every Monday. And then I could even sell this as a service, right? I can say I charge you $500 a month, but each week you get the intelligence report for your audience. You get ideas for content, even for offers, for your audience to always know what's trending, what they want. So you can always make the most relevant content in your market. You just forward this intelligence report, send them an email every week with that, right? And you can even automate this further, because you can just go to customize and we go to connectors, and here we can click on Gmail, click on connect my Gmail account, click continue. Now let's go back. Now I can click on Gmail, and you see, I can see, okay, what can it do for me? It can create email drafts. Okay, that's good. So now I can go back to my trends and I can say, send this report via Gmail to, and I click on enter, click always allow. Now it says, okay, it cannot send emails, so, but I can click on review it and send it. So here it is, my Reddit intelligence report. And all I have to do, I can review it, right? And then I click on send. Then you can send it to your clients every week, and you can charge $500 a month. Even it can update my scheduler right here. It says, okay, should update the weekly prompt. Yes, update the schedule prompt, so it makes the final email draft each Monday as well. Every Monday 9 a.m. it will scrape all subreddits, run a full analysis, and give me a draft for my email where I just need to click send it to myself, send it to clients. Next, we're doing something a little bit more crazy. We just use some sort of lead generation. Let's say we sell an WhatsApp bot that helps dentists book more appointments. So there I could use a prompt like this: use Apify Scraper, find 5 dentists in San Diego, State City, and so on. Phone number, email, check whether each one has an online booking system on their website or just a phone number. Then if they don't have an online booking system, prepare a cold outreach email saying, I have a way they can automate appointment booking via WhatsApp AI agent, and then save it to my Gmail inbox so I can just click and send. Let's go. So while it's building it, I'm going to go back and show you I actually have such a system. So here, appointment, I have some sort of WhatsApp agent. I can book appointments with customers. So this is something, if I want to sell this as a service, well, it's gonna use Claude Cowork to find you potential customers, highly targeted, because they don't have an online booking system yet. So my WhatsApp AI agent could be really useful. Okay, now it's done. It has found me 5 dentists, extracted all the detailed information, and it even checked, okay, only 2 of those 3 have an online booking system. The other only have a contact form. And then it's also made me those 3 cold outreach emails, so I can see if they are interested in my WhatsApp booking system. So here, this is already the email for the first one. Hi, dental family mentioned finds you well. I noticed that your website currently uses a contact form for appointment requests, which means your staff still has to manually follow up with each patient to confirm. I help dental practice replace back and forth with a fully automated WhatsApp agent that handles the entire booking process. And now the only thing I have to do is I click send. And I do this on these 3 dentist offices. And right, then I have completed my outreach, right, if I sell such a service. And I can even then set this up as a schedule. I can say, okay, every day, find me 5 dentists that don't have a booking system. And then it's going to be scheduled, like just as we've already done in the previous step. And then it runs every day. All I have to do, I go into my inbox, I see new drafts, look over it, and then click send. But what if you sell a service or have something to offer that is not like listed on a website, right? But for example, on LinkedIn, you want to pitch services to LinkedIn and you need to potential clients for that. Well, that's what we will do next, right? Because we can also find you potential customers on LinkedIn, scrape their profiles and information. And I've already prepared a prompt that allows us to do this. So here, that's what we're gonna do. So just paste it in here, use Apify Scraper, find me 5 AI SaaS founders on LinkedIn, get me their name, profile link, contact summary based on their last few posts. So it looks at the last few posts they have published and uses that to create a customized connection request. So that's the message you send when you connect with someone to maximize the chances that this person accepts my request. So I'm connected to this person. Then I can send them a follow-up message, like inviting them on a call, right? Or just in my case, I say, hey, I'm a YouTuber with 11,000 subscribers and 14,000 email contacts. I'm interested in AI tools. I would love to feature your tool to my audience in a paid collaboration. This is how I could use that Claude Cowork workflow to land me sponsorship deals, right? So let's go. Here they are, right? It has created me a full table with all the information I need. I click here on Chrome, click on allow. And here I have everything I need. 5 people found from LinkedIn, and it gives me a link to their profile. So I click on that. And then I can send them a connection request. I can add a note. And this is where I just copy and paste. Then I click send. And then once the person replies, right, I go to my follow-up message and I can send this. Thanks for connecting with me, reaching out. I have this YouTube channel, highly interested people in AI and automation. I'd love to explore a paid collaboration where I present your tool to my audience, right? And this is, can you replace with your service? So if you sell anything online and you think you can find people on LinkedIn, potential customers, this is how you would use Claude Cowork to do this. So it gives you highly personalized messages, finds you the right people, analyzes, reads their profile. It looks like you have read their profile and you reference it in your messages, and this gives you a much higher reply rate. And therefore a much higher chance to make a sale. Now I can also set here a schedule, right? I can say run this every day and update the lead list. Then just click on schedule, and then every day at 8 a.m. it's gonna read the existing lead list to avoid duplicates. It's gonna find me 5 new people I can connect with, prepare all the messages, update my table, and then I just need to copy, paste, and send. Now we've only done small batches, like 5 founders a day. I mean, I can ask it to give me 50 a day, right? And it will run in the background. Every day I have 50 new contacts and I just need to copy, paste, and send. The same with those dentists or businesses, right? Instead of giving me 5 dentists I can reach out to a day, give me 50, 100, or 200 a day, right? And then all I have to go into my inbox, open the emails, and click send. The same with our Reddit research, right? We can set up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, or 100 automated tasks in different niches, so we could serve different clients that from us get every week or every day a research brief on what is most trending in their market. So you can really make Claude Cowork automate tasks at scale. That's why Claude Cowork is one of the easiest entry points for anyone that wants to start using automations and AI agents. However, automations are also quite limited. You've also seen there's quite some manual work. We need to still click and send the emails. We still need to copy and paste messages into LinkedIn because Claude Cowork doesn't have these abilities. And that's what we're going to do in the next video. I'll show you how to connect Claude Cowork to an automation platform like N8N, because then it can not only find new leads every day, but it can also then automatically send emails to them. So you no longer have to copy and paste anything. That's what we will cover in the next video. So if you want to see this next video and also future ones about how to use AI and automations without any technical background, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos.